Hey guys, going to school. Hey y'all, Mama the Moon, American Eagle, Play-Dohs. Y'all should go to Play-Dohs, it's very good. Sick invite on the Chick-fil-A. Oh my god! Oh my god! Can we drop them off the sandwich later? Have a good day! They took the yesterday? Or this morning, did y'all get a new camera? She picked me up. Have a good night.
And the drug metformin.
I'm gonna tell the girls that's too funny.
Good morning. My mom told us that you left us a note. So we're taking it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me take a picture first. Oh. Have a good one. See you later. Hey guys, we got a note for you. We're leaving it on this. Oh, it fell off. On this thing. Hey guys, thank you so much. It was so sweet.
Yes,
Going to Starbucks now. And then to work. Going to school.